Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you on how to remove password protection on any Excel workbook. So it's a very simple process, and make sure this method only works if you already have access to the workbook. Okay, so you're going to go into Excel. Okay, you can open your Excel document. I'm just going to create a blank one. You can use the existing one. Okay, here you're going to go into File. Okay, in File you have Info right here. Click on Info and you can see here something that says protect your workbook. Click on that and it says encrypt with password, your second option. Click on that. So here, if you have a password, there'll be a password there. Okay, so to remove the password, just delete the password. Okay, just make sure it's empty, make sure the fields are empty, and click on OK. And then you can save it. Make sure to save it. You can save it anywhere. You should save the file. Okay, and you're done. That's how to remove the password from your Excel workbook. So yeah, thanks for watching, folks.